Alright, this is my adjustable speed flasher relay. We're just going to see if it works. So, let's just look. I'm going to do this on the fly and just hope that it works. So let's see. This is the initial status. They go that fast. So, let's try to fix that with the variable speed. So basically what we're gonna do is replace this thing, which is the 21 flasher, with this one. So I need a few connectors on here. So let me do that. I need a spade on each of the red ones, and then I'm gonna double up this one to be one ground. That should be all I need. All right, so take my my grounds, and since on the Beetle they all just go to the same place anyway, which is the body, I'm just gonna go ahead and okay. So I'm just gonna grab a little screwdriver, that way I can adjust speed. Hopefully this will work. This is kind of interesting. Look at how slow that is. 1,000. 2 1,000. Okay, so what I'm gonna do is decrease the speeds of both of these. So we're going interesting. Okay, so now I'm not exactly sure what it should be, but that's what it is now. The other thing that's interesting here, it doesn't click anymore. I don't know if that's a good or a bad thing, but the old relay, actually the relay made a audible click. This one doesn't make a click at all. So I guess that's maybe a disadvantage of using something like this. But in terms of the actual speed of the flashing, I think that's pretty good. It could maybe go, I could maybe go a little faster, which means I just decrease both of these. I can increase the down time here. All right. I think that's good. Okay, so problem solved. It just doesn't click. So, but yeah, I don't know. It just doesn't click. So, you know, I guess you could get a clicker. I'm starting to put all kinds of crazy stuff in here. But I'm happy with the speed. Let's check the other side. yeah, I mean, as far as the speed, it does exactly what it's supposed to do. The only thing is it doesn't click. So, but nevertheless, I will leave that. And you know, the other option was to basically put an inline resistor into the output of this guy, and that should have slowed it down, but then I would have just been guessing at the resistor. So I'm gonna leave it like that, and it just won't click. All right.